Hey guys, today I am coming up with a new video how to whiten your elbow and knees. Okay, if you have dark knees like me, see it's my dark knee and I will whiten my knees. Okay, so let's start the remedy. So see, you need one bowl, small bowl. You need lemon. I am cutting the lemon into pieces. You need turmeric powder and you need this baking soda. Okay, and you need hot water. So see, I will add hot water. I'm adding lemon. Now I will add baking soda. So it's finished. Okay, see, I have made this remedy. So I will use it now. I will take this like this and now I will rub like this in my elbow. You have to massage like this. You have to massage it for 5 minutes like this. Then after that, after finishing this, you have to massage on the right elbow. Both elbows I have put it. Okay, now I will put it in my knees. Now I will use this remedy on my dark knees. See how I am applying. I am applying with the help of the lemon slices and rub it in the knees. You have to slowly rub it in the knees. After finish applying on the knees, you have to leave this for 5 to 10 minutes for best results, and you can use weekly. Okay, you can massage this with the help of this toothbrush also. It's an unused toothbrush. I am taking like this. You can massage it like this. It with the help of brush also. It's easy to use like this. You take unused brush. I am taking unused brush like this. Like this, you massage it. After that, you wash it with tap water. Okay, after washing, you can see the difference in my elbow. You can see difference in my knees also. See? After washing off, after that you can use this moisturizer. Okay, I will use it and show you. Taking some moisturizer and massage in my knees like this, clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, so that it not get rough. I'll massage on my elbows also. For so here my video is finished, so I have to go now. That's all for today's video. I hope you like my video. Stay tuned for more videos.